Wooi people, it's a new day at Portmore. Yesterday something special. $1 million in saying I cook up something for us today people. Yeah man, so today me and Z, we're here, we're just chilling. You get me? We're gonna do the filming. Yeah, and me and I chef up the food. So today people, on Cook and Vibe, we are cooking chicken with baked beans and rice. Real Jamaican style. You get me? I ain't had the baked beans style the way that Million has done before, so that's what's new for me. So I thought we'd do all them things there together. No chicken and chicken, and we know what I want. But we've got a couple of seasonings, a couple of little things, got some juices and things that we're going to show you throughout. You get me? So you know how the thing go, people. It's Cook and Vibe. Make sure you subscribe to YGP. Yeah, right there, you can see it. Go over to his YouTube, subscribe, check out the latest video, myself on there. You get me? Make sure you follow Million on Instagram. Make sure you follow ZIest and YGP on the Instagram. Wooi, let's go and see the ingredients. Right, so you see that our ingredients here, we've got garlic, we've got onion, we've got scallion, we've got pepper, we've got Irish potato, we've got a couple tomatoes, a couple other things. I'll show you the seasoning in a minute. So Million, I go and cut up the chicken now.
Clean, get it clean out. Yeah.
No, like they've never seen this real Jamaican lifestyle before.
Yeah, man, I want them, man, I have to get the thing clean out, you know. Clean out the whole of them thing, you know, proper clean car.
What you notice in the water too?
You have to get rid of the blood and all of them things, you know what I mean? Yeah, clean it up.
Jamaican don't like to see blood in meat.
No.
So we have a big argument in England. Some white people say them no want wash them chicken, but me I say a vampire them.
Chicken to wash.
I like them want consume blood.
Right,
You understand?
Right, in a Jamaica, right, if you go to a restaurant and buy a food and when you start eating chicken and you see blood, you dash with that because they are
Dash with that.
Yeah, we don't want no blood, nothing blood over there, you know?
True. So yeah, it's all about Million's recipe today, people. You get me? Baked bean, chicken, and rice.
Right.
Yeah. Million's a film style that.
No, Joe.
Yeah man, look at natural thing. We're just there in a Portmore right now, people. So yeah, let me show you the seasonings. In Million, I go and wash off the rice. Wash the starch off the rice. Yeah, you have to wash the rice.
Yeah, pick out the you know?
Okay.
Sing them out of the rice and thing.
Remember Jamaica this.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're there in the kitchen. It's all about $1 million recipe today. Chicken, baked bean, and rice. First time I tried that one there. I mean, Million never cooked for me before. In all the years we link up with you, I never cook.
Yeah, man, for real.
So a cook and vibes thing.
Today are the day, you know, that.
Today's the day, yeah.
Cook and vibe.
Wooi!
Ready, Jamaican meal.
Alright, so we got some all-purpose seasoning and we got some spice to the bone seasoning. Now you know we people, we always use the Maggi seasoning. You know Maggi, yes, it's our go-to seasoning in UK and Jamaica, but
yo, right, so simmer down with a little pepper in
Wooi!
Yeah, man, little pepper and, you know,
See it there?
butter and all these things. So
Yeah.
Take time and simmer down. Quick and fast.
Okay.
Cook and vibe, very exciting.
Wooi!
Baby, this.
Excitement. Yo, we have to look on the baked beans, people. So that's the baked beans. They look different from the ones we get. And you don't know the seasonings, and we got some juices here as well. So all you do is just add water to these, and it's really good because you get like 2 liters, especially if you got Woolly for kids. You know, we have Woolly for picnics, so I didn't think they're good for you. Just put some water in it, and you get 2 liters. Done. There you go, kids. Give them a jug and couple cups, and then done. Very, very authentic Jamaican thing that, yeah. Got thyme there, my garlic, tomato, scallion, peppers, everything there. Banana there too, Sedway. Jamaica, we there, man. Zay!
You know,
ISYGP. Check it out on YouTube. And make sure you go follow $1 Million Voice on the Instagram. His links are right there.
$1 Million boy, 03, right there, son.
Right there, son. In our kitchen, man.
Yeah, man, whenever, as I say, I forget the meat clean, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, wash up the thing, then wash off the blood, clean out the inside, make sure the meat clean and all of them things, you know what I mean? Wash it off with some vinegar and all of them, so as you notice, the season them over here, so now we'll have them in some water and soap.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you know we have to peel the season them.
Yeah.
After we peel it, we still have to wash it again.
Yeah.
And I mean, before we put it into the pot. So, cleanliness. You have to clean when you have to clean. You know what I mean?
Chameleon clean.
Fingernail and them things they have to clean. And I mean, you have to deal with the food.
Yeah.
You understand? So you have to clean out there.
That's
so
true.
chef them out there, they don't want to go on.
Yeah,
get
true.
the nails them clean, yeah? Not
Boy,
only
you
when
are.
they not cook, but right through.
True.
See, and this is the cutting board, that's how we have to just, you know what I mean, put the meat them on it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I will still have to come some woman rinse off the cutting board. You know what I mean? Before we cut up the meat them on it. See you,
Yeah.
So it's just, you know what I mean? The surrounding have to clean too, you know?
Yeah, that's true.
Yes. So we deal with it here in Jamaica.
Grill's jerky marinade. It make your chicken taste like a god cookie. It hot?
People, click the link in the description to get yours and to purchase yours. Wooi.
Yeah, because in England, one heap of people eat baked beans and all, but them know this style a million. Yeah, so they might learn today.
Okay.
Alright, so we say that's the tang, right?
Yeah.
See the people, you just put the powder in there and put water in there, and you have all that juice there. Simple. Really hard man style. Yeah. So you see chicken done chop up.
So as I can see,
Clean.
I just peel the Irish.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I take off all the skins.
Yeah.
So you notice how the water look.
Yeah.
So we have to throw up the water here now.
Yeah.
Wash off all the thing them again and let the thing them clean. You know what I mean?
True.
Yes.
So we'll cut up the seasonings now.
Right.
You get me? Chicken ready. Can I season that in? Boy, $1 million baked bean chicken and rice. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yo.
I'm like thinking that thing. Yo, a Yankee, you know, this is in place of New York. Yeah. Our place, England, in a minute.
Yeah? Yeah, right.
One English link up.
One M dot, 1 million.
That.
One
That,
Z.
you know that.
YGP.
Put it like this. Boy. Put him on the cutting board, you know?
Okay, a little style. I like that little style there where you cut it in a four, so it just.
cut in a four, so now everything just sprinkle out and what have we just eat it
I
as-
never know see your chef in a million.
Yeah, man, I talk about
Mad thing, people say.
teach you the rope. So you see what I go on now? So we put it in the pot.
Yeah,
You don't know everything we can just consume it just like this.
yeah,
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So this is the season.
yeah. So it's a one, and then the next one there, and then when you cut it, everything just cut up for you.
Right.
Yeah, man, I gotta use that style there from now on.
Yes, man. So I put it on the board and just cut it one side. Just cut it up.
Right. Yeah. Tomato. What you call it? How you would call it?
Yeah. So the
Tomato?
Tomato, yeah, man.
Oh yeah, I call it the American way. Tomato, we call it tomato.
Jamaican tomato, you know?
Alright.
Yeah, man. Them something nice having a food on them. So.
True.
Yeah, man.
And then we have the onion there, the brown onion,
Yeah, we have the pepper right just to see them here.
Scotch bonnet, Wooi. That's the secret Jamaican, not the secret, but that's the main Jamaican ingredient. You see that fruit up there.
The pepper really spicy up.
Wooi, it gives it a flavour.
Yeah, give it the real flavor, the rich flavor.
Yeah.
Look for, you know?
Garlic.
Yeah.
So you know, a healthy thing, we're there on the road with the people, war leaps up. Me I said today, we got chef up some food, me and say, yo, me have a style in that chicken with the baked beans, and I say, yo, okay. And me I tell you the truth, from morning me I think about it. Yeah. Yo, that Scotch bonnet a kick.
Real, bro.
One thing, obviously, everything's so fresh here, people. All the vegetables and the fruits and the peppers and everything. Yeah. You can just smell everything kicking. The kick. Yeah. So this is nice, people. I think this is nice where you all get the story about Million and them thing there just before, you know, we do this episode, and then now you get into, you know, and like I say, and I just know we linked so from a long time, and you don't know Z as well. But yes, it's nice, man. And the first time I'm trying Million's cooking as well, people. Yeah, so rather than keep the camera on me, because you see my face all the time, let me make you see the area. So this is not far from Tree West. So Tree West is just over there. Yeah, Tree West is just over there, and you know that's Popcorn's place and everything there. So yeah, man.
Just subscribe, please. Otherwise, your fingernails are going to go rusty.
Seasoning, right?
Wooi.
Mixed with Irish, yeah?
Okay.
Yes, so watch out. This so we can cook this without meat.
Yeah.
We can cook this without meat.
Yeah, of
this
course.
sell off.
Yeah.
Just like this.
Yeah.
With only pepper, onion,
Straight.
Irish, and the tomato.
Yeah.
Yes, and this can make you a proper meal
Sure.
without adding any meat to it. Alright? But we still have had everything right here to the chicken, with the chicken.
All purpose seasoning going in. We say we have the spicy to the bone seasoning already.
Right.
See it there?
Notice how we separate the Irish and the
Yeah.
the pepper and the tomato and all of them things differently.
Yeah.
So we're seasoning on the pot.
Yeah. Some browning. Alright, what brand is that?
This is the Eve brand brownie.
Okay. See there, people?
Jamaica style, you know?
No joke, Milan. I'm a little bit hot still. So yeah, I'm gonna try the tang. This is the fruit punch one. We've got a fruit punch one and a pineapple one. So Z done mix it up. It's 10-10. Actually 10-10. Yeah, even though it's a packet juice, 10-10. It's like Kool-Aid, but the Jamaican version. So yeah, I have my fruit punch tang, and we'll start fry up the chicken soon. Rice is already cooking, baked beans soon, and that's what I want to see. Yeah, more want to see that style there. Wooi.
Nah, man.
Yeah, man, I like yo, it's hot in the kitchen, no bad man.
Nah, man, yeah.
Hot in the kitchen.
Man.
Pot of beers.
Yeah, man.
True, man. Family there, now.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so the oil there start burn up, you know?
Yeah.
Fully up, man. Well excited, no joke.
Very excited.
Oh, dear one.
Yeah, that.
You know, say cook and vibes have a rich though. Watch you know, man. This can consume by itself, you know, man. Cook up this and that, yo.
Yeah.
You left Jamaica, you love it, bro. No meat to this.
Yeah.
No meat.
Yeah.
No nothing. Now, see here, so we just put it in a pot and cook it up.
Yeah.
Murder.
Well excited.
Well excited.
Nah,
Watch out for that tune.
Yeah. Nah, man.
Yeah.
Really,
The baked bean them there. Yeah. And Z, like I say, Z done mixed up the fruit punch tang, the pineapple one. The one there, cool off in the freezer.
I can't use all like they're too sweet, bro.
Oh, see it there? See it there? He didn't even use the whole packet. Stretches. Yeah. That's what a lot of Jamaican cooking is about making it stretch. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, there's a fruit punch one. Wooi. Yeah.
Alright, as you can see right now, we reach right as we reach. I'm gonna put the chicken in at the pot now. The oil already hot. See, so we are dealing with brown stew. Alright?
Oh,
So
yeah.
you see the coloring, browning, everything is a rich look right now. So as I say, the oil already hot on the stove now. So what we're gonna do now, I like give it a little, we're gonna put the meat in the pot now, right?
Yeah.
And catch a little color.
Yeah.
Make it get a little color.
Fry up.
Another fry browning.
Wooi!
Yeah, remember it's not fried chicken or cooking.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I just fry it on 5 minutes.
Yeah, just make it get a little.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wooi! That's it.
Welcome to $1 Million Voice Cooking. Live inside a
Give it easy in a million. Yo,
Why?
the man chef selector. So basically, Millions like full-time job is a selector. That's what he's known for. He's a selector. But he just dropped his first tune, which is a mad thing. You get me? So we're gonna give you a piece of that.
No release as yet, but
Okay,
soon.
yeah.
Soon release. And I
But
mean,
then we come to find out he's my chef as well. So
yeah,
that we are doing people.
you have to can cook, you know, man.
Yeah, true, man.
You have to can cook for your family and your
Yeah.
woman, you know. You know
Yeah.
what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can't let no boy cook and take away your woman, you know.
I chose it.
I really do,
Oh,
man.
your woman, you know. Can't do that, man.
Hey, you have some chef you cook and take away your woman, you know.
Yeah, I tell you,
Yeah,
man.
talk about, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
We are the
man.
chef, man.
No joke.
Nobody can take you, man. I true, man.
No joke.
No joke. Oh, yoy. Some Million just put a piece of butter in there. You know what I'm saying? So the chicken is smelling good so far and it even start cooking. Oh, yoy. But yeah, looking good. Yeah, the butter bodies the gravy, people. Be nice.
Yeah, that.
Right.
Forward. You
Ah.
have been, this is the moment you have been waiting for.
Ah,
Right
right.
now, bro. Yeah, because we reach one next side of the episode right
Okay.
now. Alright, cook and vibe. The pot is bubbling right now. You can't lift it up. You know what I
Oh,
mean?
yoy, people.
See it?
Yeah, man. You don't know. So the gravy look thick and all of them things there.
Smelling
Yeah,
good.
everything are blending now, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Everything are soaking, so you know
Yes.
the gravy is well thick. And you don't know. When you done with this, trust me.
Oh, yoy.
Trouble.
Sure.
See it there?
See that?
Rich though.
Rich.
What a bubbly now.
Excited.
Cook and vibes. Well excited.
Hey, babe. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a good look. You know what I mean? And as I said, the rice just finished and all of them things that you see me, you know, we just deal with it with some white rice.
Where's
So
the
you
baked
know what I'm
beans
saying?
next?
I noticed
Yeah.
this is
No,
a polite night.
be in the night already.
Alright, who's in it?
Yeah, be
Yeah.
in Detroit tonight. Everything in
Bad
one.
man.
You know what I mean?
Oh, okay. So we never catch
Everything.
that style ever 4 million.
Everything in the pot.
So you put the baked beans in there.
Yes. So everything cooked down now together. You know what I mean?
Alright, so do you know what I thought, people? I thought he was gonna do something else with the baked beans, but we never see that style here before.
Oh, yeah, the thing.
We never see that style. So what you want to call this now? What you call this?
Well, this is the brown stew.
This is the brown stew. This is Millions baked bean brown stew.
Jamaican lifestyle.
Boy,
Oh, yeah.
yes, people. So the food is ready. Oh, we've got a little steam up there. Yeah, sit there. Wooi, well excited. You see me, $1 Million Voice, M.R. Cook and Vibe. It's a mad thing. Yeah, taste time now, people. You understand? We got the baked bean brown stew. Well excited stuff. In the well excited kitchen. Taste time. Listen me. See what I run with Millions baked bean brown stew.
No.
You know?
No.
That is it.
No. That is it.
Oi, oi.
Share time, you know?
Hey,
Yeah, man.
yeah, man, the phone and move nervous people like it on runway.
See.
Yeah. Oi, oi. That looking bad.
See.
He's looking really nice. Look at that, people.
Yeah, man, I eat this and I am that.
Oi, oi.
You hear me? Listen on.
Millions baked bean brown stew. You see it there?
No joke.
No joke.
I'm excited.
Well excited about it.
See, there's a good look, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Have the rich look, you know, and all of them things they see me, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, the gravy would I want to look like, you know what I mean? Fish, you know, like with the okra and all that
Yeah,
something.
yeah.
It's not fish. This is chicken. This is
Yeah.
brown stew chicken.
Yeah.
So it's an exciting look. So, you know what I mean?
Taste time.
You have to go pass it now and make the world know
Yeah?
how it tastes.
Alright.
See me?
Wooi people! Taste time. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go straight in with the rice first. So I'm gonna get a little bit of juice on the rice. Yo, some flavour in that juice there.
Yeah.
Yeah, bad.
I want you to tell the truth, you know. Why-
No, I mean, I tell the truth. Me never lie on YouTube. Never lie about cooking. And take this thing seriously. That's really nice. Just kind of give it, let me, see what I want to taste these. Let me get some of these baked beans. Because that's what I never really tasted before. In this. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to take one piece of chicken. It's really, really nice. It actually still tastes like baked bean in it, but it's just got that flavours around it.
Yeah.
It's got spun it in the onion and everything. Man, I'll tell you no lie, fam. You impressed me. Yeah.
So the food is exciting. It's an exciting taste, right?
You see how I consume it far?
Yeah, for real. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
End up there, consuming, cook and vibe, $1 million vibes, brown stew chicken, mixed with, you know what I mean? Baked bean, and also Irish, you know, pepper, onion, tomato, and all these things. Yo, just
Excited.
what you said about the food?
What we say? When we 10-10. That's what we say. When we have good food, we say 10-10. No, it's 10-10. The kitchen's hot, people. I've never tried it this way. It's really flavourful. The baked beans, they give it like a little different kind of taste. You get me? Which is really nice. And that Scotch bonnet is kicking through. All the other seasonings like the thyme and the onion is kicking through nicely. And you see the thing with brown stew, people, right? Everybody cook it in a different way. Look, brown stew is a very simple way of cooking chicken, but everybody have them style. So we got to learn the $1 million style today, and it's 10-10. You know what I'm saying, so? Wooi people, I'm gonna consume the rest of my food because that tastes good, and I don't want to be standing in front of a camera for the whole time for you lot, because you done see what I've gone. So you know how it go. Big up YGP, big up Z, big up Million. You get me? We're in the kitchen. Big up section, and I'll see you next time. Wooi.